Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make Carbonated Nestea original lemon iced tea, pineapple and passion fruit. First thing you gotta do is you open up this lid and you put in 1, 2, 3, and 4 spoons. Put this down, cover this up. And then after that, pour in the water. And then after that, you open up this pineapple and passion fruit, which is the AHA drink, and you pour it into this glass. Oh, I did not see that happen. It's delicious. And here is your Carbonated Nestea original lemon iced tea, pineapple and passion fruit. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, folks. Peace.